Modern military laser systems are proving to be more and more crucial as warfare is increasingly fought in more technologically advanced ways. Laser systems can perform a variety of tasks, but they are mainly used to neutralize threatening targets. The systems are highly accurate and effective in taking out targets, specifically those that are unmanned, like drones. We're going to look at the most effective of these offerings that the US, Germany, and Israel use to protect their land from unwanted aggression. But before we get started, if you do enjoy this video and would like to see more just like it, remember to give us a like and subscribe to Military World to get more sent straight to your notifications. First, let's look at the USA and LAWS. LAWS is also known as the ANSEC-3 laser weapon system, and it's been designed to complement the 20mm gun on a variety of military vehicles. It adds a laser weapon to provide multi-mission, low per-shot cost, deep magazine capabilities to destroy or disable threats like UAVs, jet skis, boats, rockets, artillery, and mortars. LAWS uses an infrared beam which can be set to a high output to destroy a target or low output to take out a target's sensors. Testing of the weapon has been seen on the USS Ponce, where LAWS shows its effectiveness by destroying small targets on stationary and moving vehicles. To do this, LAWS uses commercial laser technologies. To provide higher destruction at a longer range, 6 lasers are being combined in free space to provide higher effectiveness on targets. It also uses these 6 modified commercial fiber lasers via beam combining to deal with medium-range targets. It has an output of 150 kilowatts, making it up to 5 times more powerful than other Navy lasers. It's unknown what the range is of the weapon, but experts speculate that it could be effective up to 6 miles. However, this is highly dependent on the conditions in which it's being fired. The US is also responsible for the layered laser defense system designed by Lockheed Martin. This technology enables precision equivalent to shooting a beach ball off the top of the Empire State Building. Just like LAWS, the technology has been developed to defend against small rockets, artillery shells and mortars, small unmanned aerial vehicles, small attack boats, and lightweight ground vehicles. The range that Lockheed Martin claims they're working towards is approximately a mile away. However, this is just in its basic form. The company goes on to say that when operated in conjunction with kinetic energy systems, these systems can serve as a force multiplier. Tests have shown the system is capable of taking out a cruise missile, and the company boasts more efficiency and a more compact package than its competitors. It produces these results through a technology called Aladdin, which produces the highest power ever documented by a laser in its class, while also retaining excellent beam quality and electrical efficiency. What this means is less power input, but greater power on the target. The layered laser defense system uses an optical system of mirrors, lenses, and windows that concentrate it and adjust it for changes in the atmosphere it will pass through on the way to the target. This increases reliability and accuracy. As of 2020, Lockheed Martin was awarded a $22.4 million contract for the integration, demonstration, testing, and operation of the layered laser defense weapon system prototype. And since then, the system has proved itself in demos against unmanned fixed-wing aerial vehicles and quadcopters over the past year at Lockheed Martin's Space Santa Cruz facility in California, and at White Sands Missile Range in New Mexico. No doubt, this weapon is going to be a crucial element in the future of warfare with the US military. Germany has their equivalent system that they've designed, known as HEL, or High Energy Laser, designed by the country's engineering powerhouse, Rheinmetall. The laser has been a useful addition to the Rheinmetall's Skyranger 30 8x8 vehicle to help with air defense. The High Energy Laser weapon has its own sensors. This laser shoots a 20 kilowatt beam that can automatically lock onto targets and render them ineffective. There are exciting plans to increase the power of the laser as well. The immediate target for the German company is to increase this power to 50 kilowatts and eventually to 100 kilowatts in the near future. This will provide the laser with a very long reach, but also a practically unlimited supply of laser ammunition, at a cost of only around $1 a shot, assuming power is available. Rheinmetall has actually managed to successfully test its new 50 kilowatt high-energy weapon. The test went through the whole operational sequence from target detection and tracking to target engagement. This was held at Rheinmetall's Ochsenboden Proving Ground in Switzerland. This was done in challenging, snowy conditions and blinding sunlight. The test proved a 5-fold increase in laser power available for the laser's use cases, which included air defense, counter-rocket, artillery, mortar, CRAM, and asymmetric warfare operations. Another plus from testing is that it proved the laser to be deadly accurate. It showed detection, pursuit, and successful engagement of an extremely small ballistic target measuring just 82 millimeters in diameter and traveling at approximately 50 meters per second. This was to simulate a mortar round. The fire control unit detected the target with no delay. This was then followed by mechanical tracking with a 30 kilowatt laser weapon station. The laser's weapon module took over, tracking the target visually, which was then engaged and taken out in flight. Israel has its own laser offerings. The first one is known as the Drone Dome and has been designed specifically to neutralize unmanned aircraft. The Drone Dome can be operated in all weather conditions and provides 360-degree coverage. It only needs a single user to operate it, and the fully modular system can be deployed as a mobile or stationary unit depending on what the user needs it for. The system's open architecture allows it to be integrated with multiple effectors and sensors. It is designed to detect minute targets as small as 0.02 of a square meter at a range of 3.5 kilometers using charge-coupled device infrared, automatic video motion detection, and automatic target recognition. A massive advantage of this and the other systems is that it can destroy targets with minimal collateral damage to the surrounding environment and maximum safety for friendly aircraft. It's controlled from a command, control, communications, computers, and intelligence, or C4I center, which integrates data received from several different sensors to provide a complete air situational picture. This C4I center uses unique automatic target prioritization algorithms and equipment to enable command and control of all the subsystems of the Drone Dome. The other system Israel has developed is known as the Iron Beam. It's currently undergoing development, but promises to be an exciting addition to Israel's Iron Dome defense. Both are courtesy of the company Rheinmetall, and the Iron Beam itself uses kinetic interceptors to protect the country against incoming rockets, mortars, and small drones. It does this using a 100 kilowatt or more directed energy weapon. The company boasts that the laser can focus on the diameter of a coin from a 10-kilometer range. And it seems as though these claims might be proven because, as of March 2022, a series of tests were conducted where a demonstrator intercepted UAVs, mortars, rockets, and anti-tank missiles in different scenarios. The beam has come under criticism due to its long development time of over 20 years. But this has been put down to refinement to make the laser more effective at longer distances. And like a lot of the weapons we've seen in this video, the Iron Beam has the advantage of using a laser instead of kinetic interceptors, which means an unlimited magazine, a low cost per shot, and lack of collateral damage. All of these laser systems represent the cutting edge of military technology, and there's no doubt that weapons like these will be more commonplace on the battlefield in the not-too-distant future. The fact that these lasers are highly accurate, effective against modern weaponry, and relatively cheap to run mean that they are excellent alternatives to traditional weapons. Expect to see many more of these systems in the arsenals of militaries across the world. What are your thoughts on these laser systems? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to Military World to get our latest videos straight to your notifications.